second thing is the thing that we're talking about. Please remember, only schools, only elementary schools. There are a lot of information right now
Так то просто спаливать голубскую пашпорт.
The third, we're talking about the sanction, not you personally, you can also have the private sanction. Don't anything from the restaurant. The restaurant codes and start on 460, 469, and 4. These codes, these are the codes of the restaurant. Please remember that. 6, 4,